Hello guys, welcome back to Cerealphile with me, Sam, and Chozo.
Hi everyone.
Chozo's back, Chozo's back, Chozo's back, Chozo's back.
I'm back.
Yes. And today we're not having bowls of cereal.
No sir, no.
But we're having cereal bars.
Yay.
Yay. So these cereal bars are all amazing. Unfortunately, I was checking out that additional to these, they also have a Reese's Puffs one, but we couldn't find that here.
No, it's kind of difficult to even find these.
Yeah, it is. You're right. Yeah. So fortunately, we got these, and we're gonna proceed to try them, to taste them. Which one do you want to do first?
Any?
Cinnamon, Lucky, or Golden Grams s'mores?
Any you want?
Okay, I guess we're gonna start with Lucky Charms. Okay, this one. So here's yours.
Thank you.
Mine. And I think it's a very nice size. I wish it were bigger though. Like I could eat the whole box. Just like that. Padme. Okay, she thinks it's a treat for her or something. Okay, so wow, look at these. They have, of course, some marshmallow in there, and I don't know if this is supposed to be milk or what's the idea of this.
Like kind of white chocolate.
Oh, really? I always thought it was like milk, like that was their intention. So let's try this. Ready?
Cheers.
Very chewy.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe a little too chewy.
Yep.
Can you make out the Lucky Charms in there, like the cereal and the marshmallow?
And something else. This thing is under
the milk,
chocolate, whatever it is.
Mm-hmm.
It takes a lot of the flavor
from the cereal.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, because this kind of overpowers. But I mean, it's a good cereal bar. I just do think it's a little bit too chewy. I don't know. I don't really remember it being as chewy, but oh well. So let's rate it. Flavor.
Yeah. The thing is that it took a lot the milk part.
Yeah.
So I give it a 6.
6.
Yep.
Yeah. The Lucky Charms one, I'm also gonna be like a little bit harsh on it. I'm gonna give it a 7. So we're gonna give a 7 rating out of 10. Also spoons, because that's our rating, but 7 spoons.
7 spoons.
For flavor. What about texture?
Texture. As you said, yeah, it's chewy. It's not the best cereal bar. It could be anything else bar, not cereal.
Yeah.
So also a 6.
Okay. Yeah, texture is not great.
Mm-hmm.
So I'll also give it a 6. 6 for texture. And finally, IRL presentation. Do you want to put this one closer? Because I think mine has a little bit more marshmallows. But yeah, definitely look at that picture. It looks amazing. And look at the real thing. Like, okay, so IRL. No, come on. How many spoons?
4.
Yeah. 4. I'll give it a 5. No, yeah, you're right, a 4 as well. It's bad. It's not.
In the picture, it looks like cereal, and in real life, it looks like.
It looks like cereal, and the marshmallows are
yeah.
so perfect. But same thing that happened when we rated Lucky Charms in another show. The marshmallows are always going to be amazing on the box and not in real life. So, okay. Well, that was our Lucky Charms bar. Let's go ahead with our Cinnamon Toast Crunch bar.
Thank you.
Here you go. You're welcome. So let's open this. Oh, wow. Cinnamon
Mm-hmm.
is just amazing.
Pops out of the bag.
Yeah. It looks pretty nice. Doesn't look that bad. It looks nice. Yeah, a lot of cinnamon going on here. Okay. I mean, obviously it's not the same, but it doesn't look that bad. So, are you ready?
Yeah.
Cheers. Mm-hmm.
Crunchier.
Mm-hmm. Crunchier. A lot of cinnamon. A lot of cinnamon. Like, I can feel it in my throat. Like, okay. It's good. But it doesn't exactly taste as a cereal does.
No.
It could be like another thing. Well, it is another thing, but based on something that we're expecting.
The cinnamon is very intense.
Yeah, exactly. I mean, it's good. I really
Yep.
like cinnamon, but it doesn't exactly taste like the cereal. Anyway, flavor?
Flavor. I'm gonna give it an 8. It's
Okay.
too much.
Okay, I'll give it a 9. I really like it, and yeah, it's good. Okay, texture.
Texture. It was better than the other one, and this one you can enjoy it more. So I'm gonna give it also an 8.
Okay, yeah, texture still a bit chewy, but much better. So I'm gonna give it a 9. 9
Good.
spoons. And finally we have the IRL. So like I showed you guys before, it's a little different, like slightly different, but it's not that bad.
No, it's not that bad. The thing is that in the picture it has like the little
Like the cereal is actually sticking out.
and in real life it's just smashed,
Yeah, completely
like
squished.
compressed with
Yeah.
the machine.
Right, right. So, yeah, it is different from the picture. So for that, I'm gonna give it 7.
Me too.
7?
7.
Okay.
7 sounds legit.
It looks more similar to the picture than the Lucky Charms one. Closer, sorry, or closer to the picture. Okay. And next we have Golden Grams. I don't have a box of Golden Grams, or I haven't had Golden Grams here on the show. I've had it before.
Yeah.
Anyway, you have to, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So we know. What
And
we're
I
talking
really like the cereal.
about.
Let's see what the bar tastes like.
Yeah, it's supposed to be a s'mores bar, so it has chocolate and marshmallows. The picture looks amazing. Okay, this picture, wow. Let's check out the the actual thing. Whoa, not at all. Of the picture, like this is the bar, expectation, reality. Okay, all right.
Same thing here. Yeah, if they are going to like advertise as a cereal bar,
Yeah, like make it so appealing.
they might at least try. Look at this.
Yeah. It smells pretty good. It smells chocolatey, and it also has chocolate in the back, like, or in the bottom. It's just chocolate. So that looks pretty good.
It looks different.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Well,
But
yeah, your bar looks a little bit better.
Yeah, it has like the
Ground.
illusion,
Oh.
like the illusion of having milk on it.
Oh, yeah, it does kind of look like milk. But shouldn't it be marshmallow, though? Like, I think that's the idea.
Yeah,
Okay.
but it looks like milk.
It looks like milk. Okay, let's try it. Give me s'mores, anything. I love it. I love s'mores. The flavor is so good. Wow. Okay. Did you still get a hint of the original golden grams in there, or more chocolate than?
More chocolate than the original.
Definitely more chocolate than the actual flavor
Probably
of the
for
cereal.
the back that has chocolate.
Yeah, and it also has chocolate chips inside. So yeah, you can't really taste the golden grams, but the whole mix is really good.
This is my favorite.
Yeah, mine too. So flavor.
Let's say 9 spoons.
9 spoons. Yeah, flavor, I'm gonna have to give it a 10 because I love this bar. Love it. All right. What about texture?
Texture. The thing is, this wasn't crunchy either, but I didn't expect it to be crunchy.
Okay.
And the other ones I expected them to
because
be
of all the marshmallow. You were expecting chewy from it.
So I'm gonna give it a 10. I liked it.
Ooh, okay. I'm thinking 9 for texture, but yeah, definitely good texture. I like it. And finally, the IRL.
IRL, as well as you saw in the picture in the bag versus real life.
The box.
I'm gonna say 7.
Yeah, it looks so different, unfortunately. So just for that reason, I mean, look at this picture. Wow, like, come on.
It's either if you. No.
Right? It's supposed to be like super gooey, all the marshmallow there, and not really. So I am gonna be giving it a 7, maybe even a 6. Yeah, just because it's so different, I'm gonna give it a 6 in presentation. Don't confuse people. That's not what they're getting. This is what they're getting, and it's amazing. It's delicious. There's no need to make it look like it's something different. It's something it's not. Yeah.
Absolutely.
So, your favorite bar was the s'mores one?
Yes, Golden Graham s'mores.
Mine too. Definitely s'mores would be number 1. Number 2 would be the Cinnamon Toast Crunch, and number 3 would be Lucky Charms.
1, 2, 3, yeah, same thing.
Yeah, I'm definitely curious about the Reese's one, so hopefully one day we'll find
them,
something like that.
We'll make a video.
Yeah. Okay. Well, thank you so much, guys, for joining us in our cereal bar journey. And don't forget to give a thumbs up, subscribe, follow on Twitter, Instagram, please. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you, Chozo, for being here.
Having me.
Thank you for editing this video. Bye.
Bye.